Hi, my name is Sara Ali Mahran, and I'm really excited to be part of the Modulo tutoring community. I have several years of experience as a teacher and tutor, working with students of different ages and backgrounds. In particular, I have taught programming and computer science with platforms like iSchool and Audacity, where I supported students in developing coding skills, building confidence, and understanding real-world tech application. Whether I'm teaching Python, web development, or computer science fundamentals, I always focus on making the learning process clear, engaging, and empowering. What I enjoy most about tutoring is seeing the moment when something clicks for a student and when they feel proud of what they have achieved. I believe every student has unique strengths, and I love tailoring my lessons to help them succeed. What I always try to bring to the table in my teaching is giving students the freedom to make mistakes, helping them accept those mistakes, and reminding them that mistakes are how we truly learn and grow. I create a safe space where students are encouraged to explore, experiment, and ask questions without fear. I'm looking forward to meeting families from Modulo and supporting students on their learning journey. Thank you.